Go ahead and continue paddling until you hear a stop out of me. Okay. Forward one. After Boulder Creek Rapids, we will eddy out at the bottom of it. Make sure these guys make it through safely. Should you end up swimming the entirety of Boulder Creek Rapids, there's about 300 meters of calm water between it and the next rapid. Please, please, please get yourself out of the water before you go into the next rapid. If you swim both of these rapids, it's going to be about 3 miles and you're going to have a bad day.
You tucked in this? You tucked in?
Your feet in?
Forward. Up. Make sure you guys stay on rhythm. You went a little bit faster because you're getting excited. That's all right. Just make sure you stay on rhythm.
So everybody watch the person in front of them. Except for you, Leslie. You're the rhythm maker.
Forward one. This is our approach. Around that corner is going to be our pre-chorus, if you will. And around the next corner is going to be the rapid. Woo.
Yeehaw!
Let's go.
Don't be uncomfortable.
Y'all ready?
Yep. You ready, is? Hang on to your oar. You're good. You're good, baby.
I can hear Grandma already.
I think
Eric not shutting up.
I think I can hear Grandma's heart beating. Do-dum, 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 do-dum. Can somebody slow the river down?
All right. We're listening to the guys.
Boulder Creek Rapid coming up.
All righty.
Forward one.
We're good. No, we're not. Stay on the boat. Stay in the boat.
Forward one.
Stay in the boat.
Forward. Up. Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop.
Yeehaw, baby!
Forward. Stop. Forward.
Keep the rhythm! Keep the rhythm!
Keep it together. Good, good.
Keep it, keep it!
Stop. Forward. Stop. Forward. Yeah. Next stop. Keep those hands on the secret. Stop. Right, here's our technical section. Lots of rocks in here.
Ooh, Nelly!
Okay.
Brian, you're amazing.
Thank you. I love you.
And you need to get them gloves next time. My fingers are numb.
Forward.
Forward! Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm!
Stop. Every time it goes in the water. Right side back, left side forward.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Dad, hold on! Here, grab me.
Back paddle! Big bump on the right! Big bump! Grab those paddles! Grab that swimmer! Grab the ball!
Go!
Back paddle! Back paddle!
Back!
Everybody back! Everybody back paddle! Come on back! Come on back!
Back! Back!
Keep it together!
Back!
Keep coming back! Keep it together! Bumps!
Back!
No!
Back!
Swim right! Stay up! You guys stay here!
Yes, get down! Get down!
Good! Swim right! Swim
Right, right!
Hey, Grandpa!
Keep that speed up! Speed up! Get the eddy!
Grab him, please!
Alright. Let's work on getting ourselves out here. Sorry about that, guys. Yep.
I know.
Alright. Let's reset this boat first.
Okay, let me move up. It's just stay down if you have to. You don't have a paddle?
Alright, yeah, we just gotta scoot up in these middle compartment swings.
I'm trying to grab careful.
I know, you do.
I know, but you have to worry about saving yourself.
Yeah, we're stuck really good here. Let me try to figure out how to get us out of this.
Alright.
We're all good. It's all right.
And it's like, you're just a little bit of cold water. It's okay, they got him.
Sorry about that. We hit that rock pretty good.
Yeah.
To me, that was pretty fun.
Yeah, that was
I mean, except for the grandpa part.
Yeah, the grandpa part really scared.
Yeah.
I think that was my
I'm trying to hit someone.
Oh,
What you gotta do, you gotta make sure you lean back. Next time we just put him in the front.
I twisted the hell out of my ankle.
Really?
Huh?
Alright.
Oh yeah, it'll be fine.
I was like, no, I just grabbed you.
That's why I said I just grab him. If the feet goes over.
Yeah, he was
That's what I said. I'm like, pull.
I was laying out flat like a surfboard.
I said, Zach,
Huh?
me. Yeah.
Yeah.
This will save my life.
Alright,
Grandpa was like that. No, you got him.
What do we need to do? Push off the rocks with the oars? Or just wait for the helicopter?
We're missing 2 oars.
Yeah, we are.
yeah, where they're going. Yeah, the oars going way down there. I say we just push off the rocks.
Let him.
Alright.
Well, now we got our story.
Yeah. We've got a rock right here underneath me. We got another one here. We got one right there. We're really stuck.
We want to push this way?
Yeah.
And get the nose out?
That's what we're gonna have to do. I'll see if I can get us through here.
Hold on, nobody push yet. He hasn't told us what to do.
Alright, give me a back paddle.
Nothing.
Alright, let's have everybody move back in the boat. Let's try to get the weight into this compartment.
Look at the paddles.
You guys can push. Try to get us off these rocks over here.
Push the nose.
This current this way.
Okay.
Lean back, lean back.
Push. This.
Paddle, paddle. Back, back.
Push. 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 Push.
Let's go. Right side back, left side forward.
You want me hold on to the rock or you want me paddle?
Yeah, keep pushing off.
Back, guys, back.
Let's go forward, paddle. Push on this rock when you can.
Yep.
Yeah,
Are we-
Pinching. Let's just hold to this. Everybody do this way.
Yeah, no, we're moving.
We're back to where we were.
Good, I feel like the big rock's right underneath us here, eh?
No.
No.
There's one right on the side right here.
Someone Yeah. get down. Push.
We don't want to get out. You get out, you're not getting back.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys keep paddling back. Let's, all of us on this side,
Paddle
we'll
forward.
try to push off of these rocks.
Yep.
We'll try to swing the whole boat around into that current. Go back.
There we go.
Paddle it.
Keep going, keep going.
Push on the rocks. There we go.
Go forward!
Forward.
Paddle.
Forward. Forward. Watch out, this. Forward paddle. Forward paddle.
Up!
Forward paddle. Forward paddle. Keep it.
Stop!
Legs tucked in.
Hey,
Move, guys, move, move, move,
Move.
move, move.
Move in there. Okay.
In your spot, in your spot.
In your spot. You stay down. Stay down, Is.
In
Stay
your
down.
spot, please.
Oh my God!
All right, guys, we ain't out of it yet. A lot of bumps coming up here.
Hold on.
Keep down. Wrap, stick your foot under here, baby.
Let's see, guys. Stay down.
Yeah, stay down.
Forward. Stop.
Get up on the
Stay down, Ash.
Forward. Stop. Was that the first one?
That was the worst one. That was the worst one. Right?
Yeah. That was fun.
Good job, Brian.
Thank you. Let's go find Grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa got on the boat.
Yeah, he got on Dave's boat. Dave's are probably headed out here around the corner. Forward one.
He's probably bumped up pretty good though.
Forward two. Keep it going. All forward. And stop. Good job.
Good job, team.
Yeah, baby.
Susie. Good job, team.
A lot more serious.
We got rid of the dead weight though.
Forward. Keep it together. Stop. You good? Okay. Need a drink of water?
Remember he told you not to poop in his wetsuit.
Too late for that.
I think our paddles was again down here.
Forward one. Was that the end of it or no?
No, we got one more. A couple more.
No, I'm talking about like the end of that one.
Oh, that's the end of that rap, isn't
Yes,
it?
that was the end of Boulder Creek Rapids.
How much more we got?
That was the first time I've swam myself
We got
since
3 more.
2005.
Wow.
Really? Now you got something to write home about. Let's see Grandpa.
Yes.
You guys good?
Go forward. Stop.
I don't see Grandpa.
Back paddle one half.
Is that alright? Where is he? Okay. Where is he?
Hey, Dad. You alright?
Love ya!
Forward. Forward. Together now, please. Stop.
He's stopping us from moving so we can reverberate.
Hello, Bree.
Oh, God.